Would you like to know how to get wealthy on the internet using only free traffic methods? If so, this video is for you. I'll reveal a beginner simple way to make money online, even if you've never had success before, and you won't have to spend a dime to get the traffic to do it. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I'm a full-time online marketer, and I only use free traffic strategies to build my income streams. And before we get started, can you do me a big favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, let me know how you got value out of this video. So I've lost track of how much money some of my subscribers and coaching clients have wasted on traffic over the years, and it's really a double whammy. Not only have they wasted a ton of money unnecessarily, but the traffic that they have received has almost always been of far lesser quality than what they can learn to generate for free. And it's actually far easier than you may think to generate a volume of high-quality traffic on a daily basis 100% free. Many times these marketers have actually spent even more money than they've made. Look, I love working online, but it's my business, not my hobby. I do it only to make money and create time freedom. I still try to learn something new every day, but of all the things I've learned in my online career, nothing has impacted my success more than learning how to generate high-quality website traffic for free. I don't know where you are in your making money online career, whether you're just now looking to get started, or maybe you've been at it for a while and are just looking for a way to create more wealth, but I cannot overemphasize the importance of free traffic. We teach our team several free traffic methods. All are proven to get excellent results. All are easy to learn. I always suggest you start with just one free traffic strategy first and get really good at it before starting another. One thing to remember is that even with the best free traffic, it will still be difficult to make significant money online unless you're promoting the right opportunity with the right marketing system. With that in mind, I invite you to look at what I do. Here's a simple online business unlike any others you may have seen. Thanks to the powerful marketing system, almost anyone can do it. Many get results in as little as 24 hours, and that's even with zero previous online experience. And it pays residual passive income too. That's money that keeps coming in month after month. I know you'll love getting paid months from now for what you do today. Thanks to the generous pay plan, this business is already paying out millions of dollars each month to people all over the world, just like you and me. And what I like best is it only takes minutes a day. Whenever it's convenient for you, it's almost entirely automated. And I'm sure you're wondering about costs. Well, this is good news too. This business really is low cost to start. It's the most affordable home business I know of. And no, it's not one of those things where you have to buy products every month. I really don't like that. Here's how simple it is. We teach our team to use one of our free traffic strategies to get lots of people to a one-page website with a short video that does the rest. The system even does all of the follow-up. You do not need to know anything about marketing. You don't even need an email list of your own. You can start making money later today. To learn more, take our online tour at wannalivebetter.com. Again, that's wannalivebetter.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.